Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Store if it's not opening on Windows 10. Let's get started. First, restart your computer. This simple step can fix temporary glitches that prevent the Microsoft Store from opening. Next, press Windows plus R, type wsreset, and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will open, and the Microsoft Store cache will reset automatically. Once it's done, the store should open on its own. If that doesn't work, go to Settings, then click Apps. Find Microsoft Store in the list and click on it. Select Advanced Options, then click Repair. If the problem continues, click Reset. Don't worry, this won't delete your installed apps. Now, make sure your system is up to date. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and install any available updates. Microsoft often fixes store issues through system updates. If the store still won't open, check your date and time settings. Go to Settings, Time and Language, and make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.